Okay, here I am at the beginning again. I go into my chain and I'm finishing my row there. So I cut it. I will go under the front stitch here, that under that V, and I'll grab my working yarn and I'll pull it through. Then through the bottom of that top stitch here, through the bottom, you go in the middle, and then you grab your working yarn or your tail and you pull through it, and you have a new stitch there that's at the beginning, and you don't have any knots or anything that shows you that this was your beginning or end. And then you gently finish it here. You can make a little chain to make it stronger, to make it secure, and then you hide it under your stitches. And that's how you make it that side invisible. So actually you cannot tell anymore where we started and where we ended.